Why products fail. According to Harvard Business School professor Dr. Clayton Christensen, each year more than 30,000 new consumer products are launched, and out of them, 95% of them fail. Why do so many products fail to produce any meaningful financial return? Let's discuss with an example. Google launched its first wearable product, the Google Glass, with much fanfare in the year 2013. The head-mounted wearable computer allows users to take photos, send messages, and view other information such as weather and transport directions. The glass is also voice-activated with a non-descript camera. Pretty impressive and well ahead of time was the technology that Google was trying to sell. But then, what led to the failure of a product that was launched by one of the most popular technology startups of our era? Well, it was because it just did not actually fulfill the real needs of users. In other words, although the glass performs many things, these were not the very thing that customer needed or wanted to get done. Also, the glass is generally a voice-activated device, and in our current social environment, saying commands out loud in the streets such as "OK glass," "send a message," just isn't a socially acceptable thing to do. Lastly, the glass featured a nondescript camera, which resulted in a privacy concern for those people around the glass user, since there was no way of knowing whether or not they were being filmed. Google's lack of empathic understanding in the user's social environment is evident here. If the user has to perform socially awkward or unacceptable acts to be able to use your product, you can be sure that few people would be willing to use your product. The commercial failure of Google Glass can be summarized through the following reasons. Number 1, Google was trying to solve a problem that simply did not exist in the mind of the customer it was targeting. Number 2, Google failed to understand consumer needs in the social environment. Number 3, as mentioned by many market pundits, the technology was well ahead of time and could have been released later on when the right environment was around. Number 4, Google tried to market the product to general audience, whereas a product such as this should have been positioned as an industry wear. All these reasons can be traced to Google's lack of empathy towards users, because of which they ended up creating an impressive blockbuster product that nobody wanted to purchase. Understanding consumer needs from their worldview or their perspective before designing a product is key to its success.